Okay, let's look at another reasons why businesses fail. Importance of customer relationships. There's nothing more important than your customer relationships. You have to be able to connect with your customers. Some people say, hey, I'm just going to make a product and people are going to love it. If I build it, they will come. It's not the movies, folks. It doesn't work that way. You know, that's part of the emotion of a purchase. There's always emotion in purchasing, and your customer is trying to achieve something as well as you're trying to achieve something. So you want a mutual win. You hear win-win all the time, but it's really true. And the only way you can have that relationship is if you truly understand what your customer is looking for. Make your customer feel valued. Everybody wants to feel valued. They want to be thanked. And it's more than thanking a customer for buying something. I spend a lot of time giving my customers industry information, even stuff that has nothing to do with my product, because I know it's in their interest. You may have a buyer that's buying, who knows, 10 different items. You can give them some information on 2 or 3 items that has nothing to do with you. They realize you actually care about their success, and you literally have to care about their success. You don't just do that on the surface because you're trying to get their business. Really, you want your customer to succeed. If your customer succeeds and you succeed, there's nothing better than that. It's ridiculous. The customer service is almost a lost art now. Sometimes you call places, they don't even understand what you're talking about. I had an airline and I lost my luggage in Texas. They told me there's no airport in Houston. I mean, seriously, I lost my luggage. I have business meetings. I had to go buy stuff, and they're telling me there's no airport. I mean, how frustrating can that be? I actually switched airlines after that, and I'm a frequent flyer, so they lost a lot of money. If a customer calls you up and they give you an email or a phone call, they have a need, right? It's important to them. They're not doing this because they have nothing better to do. Respond immediately. Respond now. They call you, as soon as you get the message, call them back. If you have an email and you don't have an answer, acknowledge their email. Say, I got your email, let me check in this. I'll get back to you by 3 o'clock. And make sure you get back to them by 3 o'clock or whatever it is. Always acknowledge. Even if you don't know the answer, acknowledge the email and that you're going to work on it and you're going to get back to them in a certain amount of time. And they always need to know what amount of time that is, and you have to hit that deadline. Ask